One of our biggest joys in creating gardens is inviting wildlife to join us in the habitat we've made for them. Each of us can contribute to the habitat highway, even in very small gardens. First, we can provide a food source, flowers for nectar and pollen. Then, host plants for caterpillars, seeds, berries, and fruits. And avoid pesticides to attract beneficial insects, lizards, toads, and birds that will control pests for you. Provide spots for safety nesting, burrowing, and basking. Across Texas, viewers are bringing wildlife close up and sharing their stories with us. In San Antonio, a viewer spotted this sphinx moth on her balcony garden. And on location near the parking lot at her job, a red bird of paradise is thriving. Around other areas of San Antonio, she caught this stunning sunset-hued hibiscus. And while traveling around, she stopped to admire a yellow bird of paradise in San Angelo. In Kingwood, Mary Garcia spotted this remarkable Luna moth that looks sort of like an elephant head. In Houston, Nikki Kahn's growing a lovely variegated bougainvillea with pink and white blossoms on a single branch. In some cases, the flowers are dual-colored pink and white within the same flower. It's no wonder that her subdivision awarded her Yard of the Month for her hard work, which paid off dramatically in spite of the heat. From DFW, Candy Winton sent these fun pictures of two blue jays that look like they're in the middle of negotiations. Candy's got 52 trees on her 3 lots to host hundreds of birds. In September, dozens of hummingbirds stopped by on their way south. And from Wimberley, here's a clever tip from Twinkie and Mark Schwend. They gather wine carks to partially fill large containers before adding potting soil. This decreases the overall weight, allows for use of larger, more decorative containers for shallow-rooted plants that would struggle with deeper soil, and perhaps best of all, saves money. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send your questions, pictures, and videos.